Hey guys, in today's video we are going to unbox every viral Labubu blind boxes. So these four blind boxes are most viral on the internet. First we have the Monster Coca-Cola, and second we have Big into Energy, and third we have exciting macarons, and at last we have Labubu have a seat. Personally, these two blind boxes are my favorite, Coca-Cola and the Big into Energy. Firstly, I am start with this Coca-Cola blind box. All lavabos are here today are handmade. So if you want the tutorial, tell me into comment section. Here I am trying my best to draw all the details on this blind box. Here as you can see there are three options. I want the secret one. Let's open it. Oh my god, I got the secret one. This is the secret one. And now I am unboxing this Big into Energy. I want luck and the secret one. And also I want the loyalty. Let's open it. Oh my god, I got luck. Look at this. This is so squishy. I got the luck. Look at this is super cute. Guys, comment down below which Labubu is your favorite. So that's it for today guys. See you in the next video. Bye.